Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and on the same Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on the iPhone. Open Settings and tap your name to access iCloud. Turn on Contacts to allow iCloud to sync contact data. Keep both devices on and near each other during this process. If you use multiple accounts, set iCloud as the default contacts account inside iPhone settings. Confirm a watch passcode is set and both devices have on your iPhone. Open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud, then Contacts. Toggle Contacts on so the iPhone uploads contacts to iCloud. If contacts fail to appear on the watch, toggle Contacts off and wait 10 seconds. Toggle Contacts back on to force synchronization from iCloud to the phone. Set iCloud as the default contacts account in settings to avoid local account conflicts. Keep the Apple Watch and iPhone within close range and allow up to 3 minutes for complete syncing. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch settings to mirror iPhone behavior. Ensure the Contacts app is installed on the Apple Watch and that Mirror iPhone is enabled. If contacts still do not sync, restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch and check again. As a stronger fix, unpair the Apple Watch, then repair it to the iPhone to trigger a fresh sync. After repairing, wait up to 3 minutes, and then open Contacts on the watch to verify contacts appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.